Hey guys, this is the last day of the installation for Solar Roof. These guys have done a fantastic job. I am not a roofer myself, but I get to film these guys making roofs and putting on roofs, especially watching them do a Tesla solar roof is incredible. There's so many different moving parts involved in this process and they make it look easy, and I mean that genuinely. They do a fantastic job. So I am really excited to show you guys time-lapse video I'm going to put together. I've been filming this all week, and so I'm going to put that up for you guys to see. I'm also going to do like an interview overview video with the homeowners. I'm really excited for you guys to see that as well. So it's been a great project. Thank you for following along, and we'll see you on the next one.